Hello guys, today we are going to have a conversation with one of our student Bhargav who got placed in Stride 1 as front-end developer with 8 LPA package. Let's see what he has to say about AccuJob. Hello Bhargav.
Hi, sir.
So first can you tell us where you got placed?
Yes, I got placed in the organization called Stride One as a front-end developer, which is in Gurgaon.
Okay, and what is your internship period? What is your package there?
Yes, I got internship period of 3 months, around package of 8 LPA.
8 LPA package. Nice. Congratulations for that.
Thank you, sir.
Can you tell us how did you got to know about AccuJob?
Few of my friends has told me about this organization, and I have contacted the Academy team about the course duration, about the course what they are learning, and what the it's going in the market. I got to know about this from a few ads also. So I came to the AccuJob and talked with the instructors and the counselors about the course, and I thought this is the best course to learn and to get into the industry.
Like, why did you think so? Like, what point gained your trust? Because
Yes.
it was the first time you are coming into AccuJob, so you must had some point, no, that built some trust within you. So, what
Yes,
was that
sir.
point?
Difference between the AccuJob and other institutions, they were starting regular batches within a 1 week, and the batch, the people in the batch are huge, and there is no one-on-one mentorship. These are the things mostly affected me to join the AccuJob, and the portal support and the placement support, the previous placements of the students, mainly the portal. The portal is very extremely good for all the features, and it is very dedicated to the student who can learn in a right track in the solving of the questions, and the good workspaces also should be there to learn the things.
Environment, you mean?
Environment
So,
is
how did you like this environment? Can you tell us something on environment of AccuJob in learning side?
yes, the environment is like you are getting training in a technical organization, not rather than you are in a course institute. It is not rather than it is like a organization you are working. The instructors, the students are dedicated with the focusing on the learning path, and the curriculum and the environment is such that all are dedicated to work learning path in a systematic way. It's very good.
What was the best part of AccuJob that you felt?
The few things are, one is the instructors.
Okay.
I got the best instructors till now in my journey, and my friend circle, which is very good. All are in the focused manner to get placed and to learn enthusiasm to learn new things, building good projects. These two help me to not to get demotivated in every day of my life.
Okay, and what about the projects? You built some projects, right? Can you tell us something on your projects?
Yes, sir. I have built a Chrome extension, which is built by I have built with the help of my instructors only. This is that which the users can apply the jobs in the LinkedIn, but they will not get calls due to the JD and the experience and the skills will not match. To resolve this issue, we are also facing the same issue. To resolve this issue, we have planned with the instructors and solve this issue by building an extension which checks the ATS score, the matching keywords. By this, you can refine your resume and apply to those jobs. You can get more calls rather than applying to hundreds of jobs and getting no calls and getting demotivated, frustrated. You can resolve this issue and get more calls, more interview schedules. You can get placed very easily.
Do you feel that there is something new here that we build every time? Because I know that we don't build same projects in every batch.
Yes.
So tell us something on projects.
Yes,
What
sir.
was the process of building projects? What kind of projects we build? And do you think that is industry relevant, or it is same thing that everybody is doing it, every fresher is doing it?
No, it's very differently because I have traveled to the many institutes. They were the many of the projects were the same for all the batches, and they are only the clones of the projects like YouTube clone, Instagram clone. But here are the projects which are changing day by day with the industry and with the batches as well. There were not the same project doing in the all the batches. Understanding the student difficulty level, it understanding his capability and building in the projects is very different. I have seen here for the first time, and we are also built a project called one of the Chrome extension and a mentor connect, which helps for the active students. And we have built a chess game, which is a real-time chess game with the apps which deploy in the apps like App Store or Play Store.
Multiplayer can
Multiplayer.
play that game. And I remember that I told you one more application just for a practice purpose.
It is
But
stock
still,
market app.
yeah, you build the whole project.
Yes, entire project.
Okay.
It is also good experience to build the project like stock, handle real-time data using sockets. It's also very good experience.
Did these projects help you in interviews?
Yes, yes. In every interview, the interviewer was very focused on the projects only. They are getting like literally they are getting shocked because every fresher resume has the same project like e-commerce.
Yes.
It's a routine projects. If I keep these projects, every interviewer is shocked, and they are in to telling me to explain about the projects, the tech stack, the features. They are more into the projects only.
As you know, in and out, because we build projects here like from scratch, and we build the whole project in the class, and some part of it is given as a student's task, so that you learn more in projects. Okay, got it. And can you tell us your experience in mocks? How mocks help you in cracking real interviews?
If you start giving mocks, the real interviews become very easy. As I have given 8 to 9 mocks till now, and the 3 to 4 real interviews, I have thought that the mocks were tough. The interviews was very easy because the difficult level of asking in interviews were easy to medium level, but you are training in a up to hard level in the mocks. By that we can easily able to clear the interviews. Out of 4 interviews, I have cleared 3 interviews. This is the reason every student should give mocks and get the feedback, and it helps you upskill and what are drawbacks you are facing, how much you have to learn. This is the story.
There must be a time, no, when you might have felt demotivated that you are not getting calls, or you are not able to study, or you are not able to understand topics. So what do you used to do then?
Yes, sir. I have demotivated because one of the time family is asking what is going to happen if you don't get job. You are staying, learning the course from 6 to 8 months. What's going on? All are getting placed. I have to demotivate, but my friend circle is such that they have to motivate me every day. And you and Sahil sir, one of the lecturer, they are also telling first focus on learning. If you learn, the offers will get one of the day. And first your circle should be like that, and your mentors, they should be motivate you, not degrading you. Travel with the people who help you in all the situations. Here at ActiveJob, I have got all the places where I don't get demotivated as well until now.
Okay, nice, good thing. And what is your family's reaction now once you got placed?
I have not told them I got placed. I have to see after going home what there will be reaction. I think they will be getting tears with the happy tears in their faces, because there are also all other people are asking when your child get placed.
Yes.
He is learning from very long time. Our child got placed. They are also feeling very bad. So it is a situation. But my family is like that. They have not forced me. They are asking, but they have keep supporting me in all situations. Learn. The time will get. God is seeing. You will also get a good job.
Nice. And yesterday was your birthday.
Yes, sir.
And the same week you got offer letter as well.
Yes.
A birthday present.
Yes.
Nice. Congratulations for that once again. And what if someone wants to upskill? If somebody is looking for some institute or some place where they can come and upskill, do you suggest ActiveJob for those kind of guys?
Definitely, sir. Because for a fresher, for a college graduate, the best place is to learn, in my point of view, is ActiveJob, because I have seen other institutes, the huge crowded, no personal mentorship. Here you can get a personal mentorship and the dedicated projects. to the related to the industry, and the course updated course. The course is very important. The updated course is very important, and the AI integration and the projects, and the course fee is also very reasonable, also flexible rather than comparing other institutes. But I think the course the pricing will not matter if you learn the right skill. So the skills and the instructors and the location to learn and the
Environment.
Accio team is very good. They will respond for any situation in any place. They will respond you, and they will back you in all the situations. This should be the case. In other institute, they will, if you after paying fees, they will not take any responsibility of you.
So you are telling that if you faced any kind of problems, Accio team was solving those problems instantly.
Immediately.
Yeah. Okay. And how was this journey in Accio job? How many months you were here?
Around 10 months, sir.
10 months. How was the journey?
Very up and downs, because first I was thinking I can't get any job. My skills are very less. How I can get job? How I can survive in this industry? I am going the right path or not? But as I being on traveling, my friends got placed, and they got motivated. They will motivate me, and you and my sirs are motivating. And it takes some time, but it will be done if you make the consistency is very important. If you consistent for over 6 to 10 8 months with the consistently practicing and giving mocks interviews, it will be done in one day.
Nice. Okay. So do you feel was it worth joining Accio job and spending 8 to 10 months and spending that amount that you paid here? Was it worth it?
I think it's more worth it than I have paid. I should pay paid more than the course fees, because I have traveled other institutes as well. They are charging more, and the course duration is less, and the mentorship is less. I have not seen this many features that they are providing. That's the point, because the money doesn't matter if you get the right skill and the right place to work, the right opportunities.
Yeah.
I think.
So, okay, it was nice talking to you, Bhargav. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Do good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.